This is a feeder from Technoset. Interesting feeder in that it has a space for liquids, and then it has an opening where you can put solids in and lay it right on top of the frame. But also, if you didn't want to have as much feed, so more of a slow drip method, you can put this inner container and the bees can come up through here, get to it, and prevents drowning based on the way it's designed. And then if you have pollen patties you want to lay in there in the early spring, you put this on top of it so they don't get up into the feed. So now you have a way to do solids and liquids at the same time right next to the box. The other interesting contraption that this has is an entrance, an upper entrance built right into the feeder. So you can open this up, the bees can come in and out the top in addition to the bottom. This is a traditional wooden Langstroth box that we've integrated with the Technoset bottom, and then this feeder will also accept the Technoset lid or any telescoping lid right on top, and you can fasten this all together. No more bricks on the top of your box if you don't like that. Adjust for the particular attachment that's in there. Of course, you'd be standing to the side if you were doing this with bees in it. Latch that down, that won't come up. And there you have it. You've got a feeder that can work as your inner lid, work as a second entrance, and you don't have to worry about swapping feeders or getting into the bees. Just pull the lid off, the bees are still closed up, pour in some more liquid. And of course, when you open this, you'll be in front of the bees, but then you can put your pollen patties on that and close that back up. Thanks for watching our video.